thinking about buying the Slumblr Contour Relief Pillow because of all the bold promises it makes? Hold on a second, this video might just save you from making a rushed decision. The Slumblr Contour Relief Pillow claims to be a game changer, offering relief from chronic neck and back pain, correcting your posture while you sleep, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, and keeping your head cool all night with its so-called breathable design. Sounds like a dream, right? But when you dig past the sleek website and flashy marketing, things start to look a little less dreamy. Sure, the pillow has a clean and modern design, and it certainly looks premium, but looks can be deceiving. One of the biggest red flags is how aggressively the product is marketed: huge discounts, countdown timers, limited stock banners, and exaggerated claims like endorsed by professionals without listing any real medical affiliations. The website even throws in certifications that don't seem to link to any verifiable authority, and some of the media mentions appear to be completely fabricated. Real user experiences are mixed. Some report minor comfort improvements, while others say the pillow did absolutely nothing for their pain and actually worsened their sleep. Then there's the shady refund policy, where buyers discover too late that returns come with hidden fees or conditions that make getting your money back almost impossible. And let's not forget the negative Trustpilot reviews pointing to poor customer service, late deliveries, and disappointing product quality. Even the so-called statistics used in their sales pitch are vague and unverified, which raises more questions than answers. This review isn't here to hype or bash, it's about laying out the facts so you can decide. If you're still interested in trying the Slumblr pillow after everything we uncovered, the product link is tagged in the video, but make sure you watch till the end to hear all the critical points before spending your hard-earned money.